Forster. It's raining today, which we haven't had rain for a little while, but it's not that bad. But so we just went to a game center, a kids game center, which is a really cool place. We'll pop it on the edit anyway, so you know where it is if you are a traveling family and need something to do in the area while it's raining. It was a really cool place. It had mini golf, bowling, and some games and stuff, some arcade games. So good idea to do that if it's a rainy day. What are you doing? Bit of a late night cleanup.
Out of date, tidying the pantry. Also putting in some non-slip stuff on the pantry shelves so that when we're travelling we don't open the door and it falls out.
Which happens quite a lot. So we are trying to think of some rainy day activities because it's meant to rain for what, the next
7
week
days
or something?
days,
yeah. So we're still in Forster. We're gonna stay here until things quieten down a little bit at the Queensland borders because we've heard they're a bit crazy. So we're not in any rush, so we'll just get there when we get there. But yeah, so we're heading to a play centre at the moment. Josh's going to the Cairo.
Yeah.
Get your back fixed.
Yeah.
And yeah, we'll just head down to the beach later when the rain stops. The kids are not used to having a big play area to play in. So this is cool. I know. Crazy time in the house, in the van, I should say. Carbonara. What are you doing? Riley, you made some friends today, didn't you?
Uh-huh.
What are their names? Can't remember.
Kiwi.
What? Kiwi? Is that better? Yay! What are we doing? In the bin! Don't need them anymore, do ya?
No.
What are you doing, Riley? Doing the dishes for a sticker on your behaviour chart.
Dad's made you some kind of pinata.
Hey guys, got a handy little tip here for when you finish beach driving. When we finish beach driving, I always chuck the sprinkler under the car to help rinse out all the sand that gets into those hard to reach places that you can't quite get with the hose. Just helps sort of look after your vehicle in the long run. But we haven't been on the beach for probably 3 or 4 days now, but check this out. Sand everywhere. So that sprinkler under there, moving it around probably every 5 minutes. I just drag it from the front all the way through to the rear of the vehicle. Just helps get that sand off, and it's really good. So that sprinkler there, I'll just show you it quickly without getting too wet. It's just a little dome head sprinkler I use, about 10 bucks at Bunnings. Super easy to use. As I said, just sliding it around underneath the vehicle to get yourself sorted out and get all that sand out. So another helpful tip after you finish a good day on the beach.
So we've moved sites. We were over there, but it just wasn't getting as much sun as what we liked. So we went across the road to here, and you get the sun all day. And the playground's just there, so it's easy for us to watch Riley. The pool's there, the toilets and stuff are there. It's an awesome park. What do you give this park out of 10, Josh?
9.5.
9.5? It's pretty good, isn't it?
It's good. It is really good. Good
Got
for
everything
kids.
you need.
Thanks for watching our adventures.
hit subscribe.
Woo!
See ya.